Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite burrito. I really like burritos. I love Mexican food in general. And this is my take on a burrito. Burritos are super easy. They don't take a lot of effort, and you can use a lot of different ingredients to suit your tastes. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, to start, I made some rice in my rice cooker. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking the rice and adding it on top of my store-bought tortilla. And you can certainly make homemade tortillas if you like. At one point, I will do a homemade tortilla recipe or episode. And depending on how much you want, I usually do about that much rice. Just depends on how fat you want your burrito. And then I go for my black beans. These are just canned black beans. And if you prefer refried beans, go ahead and use those. If you don't want to use rice, don't use rice, just use beans. Totally up to you, according to your taste or what you want to do that day. Simple, very easy. And now I add spinach. You can use lettuce if you like. I always have spinach on hand. I don't always have lettuce. I eat a lot of spinach in my smoothies for breakfast and whatnot. So I like to use spinach. Now at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some salt and a little bit of pepper. Perfect. And now I have some grilled chicken, and I just grilled this on my George Foreman grill. Very simple. And you can use chicken, you could use beef, you can get, you can take ground beef and make a more classic taco type meat if you want to use that. You don't even have to use meat if you don't want to. You don't have to use chicken, you don't have to use beef. And then we'll go for cheese. I really like having lots of cheese, and this is just a nice mild cheddar. Again, use whatever cheese you want. You can do like a blend of cheddar and Jack, Colby Jack, whatever you want to do. That's the name of this game, whatever you want to do. And then, I love me some avocado. You may or may not have access to avocado. Load up on the avocado. Excellent. And then, I am going to use some salsa. You can use pico. You can just make, use tomatoes, just chopped up by themselves if you want. There we go. My burrito is ready to go. Super easy. That is how I make my favorite burrito. Really, really versatile, super easy. You can make it as simple as you want. You can just take a store-bought tortilla and open a can of refried beans, heat it up, and put it in there if that's all you want to do. So this right here is usually what I do almost every time just because I love it so much. Every once in a while I'll switch out the black beans with refried beans, and sometimes I don't even make the rice and just do it like that. Totally up to you what you want to do and use. You could use like cilantro and lime juice, sprinkle that on there. You can do some kind of a different kind of sauce, whatever you want to do. Really easy to do. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below, you'll find links to my other social media accounts as well as my other YouTube channel in case you want to check those out. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Super excited. Yummy. Fold it over.